We have our Xiaomi vacuum for more than 1 year now, and the time to replace his side brushes was many months ago. I ordered a maintenance kit in AliExpress, but when it came, I saw that it doesn't fit my model of vacuum. Even though I try my best to order the specific kit for my model. So I ordered a new one, but meanwhile, because it can take months until it will arrive, I thought maybe I can modify at least the side brushes to fit my model of vacuum. So at first I needed a hole to accumulate the screw, because the brushes that came, they didn't got any hole. I try to be as much accurate as possible in marking the center of the brush. Check the diameter of the head of the screw, because you need to make room in the new brush. At first I hit a nail with a heat gun, but then I understood that the heat gun is not heating enough. So I use a torch. With a utility knife, I cut the excess plastic that came out from the brush after heating it. This plastic is very hard after it getting cold. The diameter of the new brushes is a little bit bigger than the brushes that I have now, and at first it didn't spin so well. So I shave a little bit so it will fit better. Also, it has this excessive plastic rubber underneath, which make the brush much thicker than the brush that I needed. So I cut it with the utility knife. Here's also a small black brush, little brush on the side, so also is not needed. After that, it was pretty much done. Just putting back the screws. And testing the vacuum. Seems that it's spinning in the correct speed, as far as I can tell. So I have these extra main brushes and filters. I'm not sure what kind of model vacuum that fit, and if someone knows and want it, please leave me a comment down below, and I will do my best to make it be on your way. This is the package.